Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. If you are new to your channel, welcome. My name is Care. My husband's name is Jonny, and actually he is not here today. He is out of town doing a show in Pittsburgh. He's in the entertainment industry, and if you guys are curious in regards to exactly what he does in the entertainment industry, I will leave the link below to one of his vlogs where he kind of took you along. I believe he was in San Francisco, so I will leave that link below. But we get a lot of questions when we post our fitness regimens and our meal prep regimens on our Instagram stories. So I thought today would be the perfect time to take you along and show you what I eat in a day. I have been meal prepping for, I think in July, it's gonna be 2 years in July that I've been meal prepping. I always try to eat relatively healthy. I do not restrict myself. I love sweets. I love ice cream especially. It's like my favorite thing in the whole world. So throughout the week or throughout the day, if I have like a little sweet tooth, I'll have maybe a little Lenny and Larry's protein chocolate chip cookie, which I'll also link below. You can find that in GNC, or I'll have like a couple like Lifesaver mints just to kind of crave my sweet tooth. So I do not restrict myself. I am going to show you what I'm going to be eating this week. I like to switch up my meal preps every week, but I don't do a full week of the same thing. So what I will do, because I get bored really easily with my food, I will make breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I'll eat the same thing for 4 days straight, and that's including the same snacks throughout the day, and then I'll switch it up to another meal prep for the next week. I do allow myself one cheat day per week. I used to be really strict in the macros diet and whatnot, but that just really didn't work for me. Anyways, come along with me. I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. I will link all of the foods that I show in this video below. Let's get started with the day. All right guys, so I am going to be having avocado toast for breakfast. So, go down over there. So while that is toasting, let me show you the brand that Jonny actually got me hooked on. And it is called Dave's Killer Power Bread. And I got the Power Seed one. But as you can see, it's 5 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 440 milligrams of omega-3s, and 20 grams of whole grains. Dave's Killer Bread, the Power Seed one, there's different ones that you can get, but I'm getting the Power Seed ones. I have my Essentia water here. I have my very ripe avocado that I'm gonna use on the toast, and I'm going to slice up a banana on the side. All right guys, so I'm only going to be using a half of an avocado. The other half is going to be in the refrigerator. I took the half of the avocado, and right now I am just spreading it on my Dave's Killer bread that I have, and this is gonna be my breakfast. You know what I think? How can something that tastes so good like an avocado look so gross when you're trying to put it or spread it on stuff? Anyways, so this is going to be my breakfast right here, and then I'm gonna cut up my banana and eat. Okay guys, so it is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am getting a little bit hungry, but I'm not really ready for lunch yet. So I am going to have some of these low sodium blue Diamond almonds. I always get the lightly salted ones. I don't like my almonds heavily salted. This is what I'm gonna have for a little snack, and I will show you the portion size in just a sec. So I poured some in here, and I realized that the bag is like gone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some walnuts that I have, and I'm just gonna put them in here and then just snack on some walnuts together, and then just kind of mix it in this. It looks like a super small portion, but this will totally fill me up in between now and when I eat my lunch, which I will show you what I'm gonna eat for lunch in a bit. But this is my first snack of the day. All right guys, so it is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I had my snack, I waited a little bit, and I am going to be making my lunch right now. So I'm gonna have an acai bowl, and I'm so excited about this. But yes, let me show you how I'm going to make my acai bowl. Okay, so before I make it, I wanted to show you the actual bag it comes in, and the brand is called Samzabon. and I got this at my local grocery store. It comes in a pack of 4, but I use 2 for each acai bowl. So this is the brand I just wanted to show you guys. Let's make it. Okay, so when you open the pack, like I said, you're gonna be using 2. It kind of looks like this, and it gives a step-by-step instructions on what to do. And I put it in my super cute Rae Dunn bowl. So what we're gonna do is we are going to set this in the sink like this, and I like to run the warm water over it. It does call for it to be ran underwater because it is frozen. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna prep my NutriBullet blender. All right guys, so let's put this acai bowl together. Sorry if you could hear Bella in the background. She thinks I'm making some food for her. So what we have here, I have some granola that I'm gonna put on my acai bowl. And then I just have some basic peanut butter. I don't use a lot of peanut butter in there, but I'll show you a little trick that I just found out to make my acai bowl not so runny. So we're gonna add this in, and I'll show you in a second. I have some unsweetened almond milk. I have my NutriBullet right here, and my defrosted packets of Samzabon acai mix, which I'm gonna cut, and I will show you how I put everything together. Obsessed. All right, let's get started. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is we are going to cut the little packets right here of the acai bowl, and I'm gonna place it in my NutriBullet right here. And like I said before, we're gonna use 2 packets to make 1 bowl. So we're just going to take the defrosted second packet and put it in there. Right here. And then, probably cut. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to put about a tablespoon or so of peanut butter in here. Now, when I first found out about this acai bowl, I always put the peanut butter last, and the acai bowl was really runny. It just didn't say to put peanut butter in the instructions as I followed it, which is on the back of the packets. But just a couple days ago, I realized that if you put a little bit of peanut butter in when you blend it, it makes it a lot thicker. Don't ask me why I didn't think of it before. Just like I said, just following the instructions. So we're gonna put that there. And then it calls for just a tiny bit of our unsweetened almond milk. Just like that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in, and now we are going to get to blending. All right, so this is what it looks like after it's all blended up, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about a more thicker consistency. Like I said before, when I was making it was really soupy and it just really didn't taste right. So here's the acai bowl mix. All right, so I scooped the rest of the acai mix out of my NutriBullet, and what I'm gonna do now is add some of the granola in here. I usually put bananas in the acai bowl, but I had a banana for breakfast today, so I'm just gonna keep it, the acai bowl with peanut butter with a little bit of granola. I know it didn't come out super clean and fancy, but this is going to be my lunch, and it's really good, and it is very filling. Hey guys, so it is about 5 o'clock. I'm just about to run out for a quick appointment for myself, but I wanted to share with you, I'm gonna have my second snack of the day, and that is an apple. Hey guys, so I got back from my appointment and I actually had a really good workout. It was abs and cardio today. I wanted to show you my after workout protein shake. So I usually try to take the protein shake within 20 minutes after I finish my workout. So I have again my unsweetened almond milk, and this, guys, is amazing. It's called Vega Protein and Greens, and I get the chocolate flavor. You could buy this at probably any grocery store, I think, carries it, or GNC. And then I have my NutriBullet again, and what I do is I fill the bottom of the NutriBullet with about a cup of water or so, and then some crushed ice cubes in there to keep it cold, and then I just blend it all together. I put the water in the bottom so I can dilute the almond milk a little bit to cut back on a little bit of the calories. Just like before with my acai bowl, I'm gonna use my NutriBullet and make my protein shake. Hey guys, so it's a little while later. I drank my protein shake and then took a shower, got all freshened up. I forgot to mention though, in the Vega Protein, it actually comes with a scooper and you just scoop it up, fill it to the top, and then pour it in the NutriBullet and blend. But right now I am going to be making dinner. It's coming to the end of this vlog and the end of the night. I'm not gonna show you what I'm having for dinner because I'm either going to have my avocado toast that I had for breakfast or another acai bowl. My senses tell me acai bowl, and I might use half a banana this time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This is kind of what I eat in a day, and like I told you earlier, I like to switch up my meal preps every 4 days, so within the next 4 days, I'm gonna be making something else. That's just something I like to do as I get pretty bored with my meals if I had to eat the same thing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner 6 days a week. Jonny should be back soon. He has a really busy schedule this month, so you might see me in one vlog and him in another one, but we shall be reunited soon because we have some really cool things coming up in the next actually few weeks. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on those notifications below, and guys, we'll see you on our next adventure.